start to rise. Clouds are heavy in the skies, yet through the storm a light breaks through. A white dove soars in front of you. Wings of calm and wind so strong, a quiet sign that you belong. Above the fear, above the rain, it carries hope through every strain. A dove that finds the way for you, a promise that you will make it through when life is rough and shadows stay. This gentle guide clears out the gray. You watch it glide with steady grace, a peaceful strength in every trace. It shows that storms are not the end. They shift and heal, they learn to bend. Trust the air that lifts you high. Trust the path you cannot see. Even in the loudest night, this dove reminds your heart to breathe. A dove that finds the way for you, a promise that you will make it through when life is rough and shadows stay. This gentle guide clears out the gray. Hope will rise again when your spirit awakes.